This is the lecture for Judith Jarvis Thomson's article, A Defense of Abortion. So the first topic is personhood. In the first few pages, she talks about personhood, just the first 2 pages really. She talks a bit about personhood and the relation to abortion. She goes by it pretty quickly and doesn't explain it very thoroughly. That's because, as she points out in the first page or two, this article is not about personhood and abortion. This is about what we say about abortion, even if we grant the fetus is a person. And so this is just to say, don't worry too much about what personhood is or how it relates to abortion, because after this, we're going to read Warren and Card, and they're both going to be talking about personhood in a lot of depth. So don't worry about it for this article. In this article, whatever a person is, we just assume the fetus is one, and we see what follows from there. The second point is, you might remember from the Sen reading last week that talked about human rights. And one of the things that Sen said about human rights is that to have a human right to something is to have a claim against other people who are in a position to help, that they sort of provide you with whatever it is the right demands that they provide, something like that. And so that kind of understanding of rights is potentially going to be helpful here, because a lot of this article is about what people have a right to and what is entailed by having a right to certain things. And so if it helps, you might think about a right as something which, when you have a right, it gives you a claim against other people that they sort of fulfill the contents of the right. So if you have a right to food, that gives you a claim against me, perhaps, that I give you food in certain circumstances. How exactly this works depends on the right and lots of things. But as you read the article and look at what she says about rights, hopefully that will make sense.